Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to add one-to-many fields. So in the previous video we have discussed about many-to-one fields, and in this video we are going to talk about one-to-many field. So a one-to-many relation is a virtual relationship which is inverse of many-to-one, which we already discussed. A one-to-many behaves as a container of records. Accessing it results in a possibly empty sets of records. So actually, a one-to-many is not the actual database like Postgres relationship, but it is a virtual relationship which links uh, two models. So let me just give you an example of one-to-many relation in Odoo. So if you go to the sales module and try to create, or if you open the existing sales order, so here we have order lines, and in the order lines we have products, we have description of the product, quantity of the product, price, tax, and subtotal. So we can add multiple lines in this format. So this is actually the one-to-many relationship. So this is the main model is the parent model is sales dot order, which you can see here, and the like the other child model is like the models in the lines is sales dot order dot line. So here the relations from sale dot order model to the sale dot order dot line is one to many, and the inverse relation will be many to one. So we have already, like uh, in our case we need to add one to many field, and we have already added many to one, which is the inverse of one to many. So in this case what we need to do is in the course model we will have to add the one to many field, because if I open the course, like here the course, so here the course can have multiple sessions. So in this case, in case of one to many, the main model will have one record and it can be linked with multiple records on the other side. So this is the case, like the opposite of the uh, one of the many to one. So in this case we will add session IDs, okay, like this is equal to fields dot one to many, and here we will have to add the parameters. So the first parameter in this case will be the like the destination model, which is sessions model, okay, and the second parameter is like the related field, which will be the destination model field, which will be one to many field, many to one field. So which is like this is the course ID. So you must need, in case of one to many field, you will have to define many to one field in the opposite model. Like in the course, like in the session model, you will have to define this many to one field, which is like course ID, and then the third parameter you can pass the string, like you can say sessions, okay, like this. So this is how you can add one to many field. And then in the views we need to add in the courses. So we have already added the notebook and the page. So just before the description we will add another page. So in case of one to many field, you will have to add a page and then the tree view for this purpose. So page string can be like sessions and then close it. So here we need to add the field which name is, so here you need to add the name of the many one to many field, like this, and then close it, okay. So inside this field we will have to add different views. So like how you want to display the data inside the uh, like inside the one to many field. Like in this case if we go to the sales, so we have this list view in which we can see different fields like in the opposite model. So here first we want to add the tree view, And in this tree view we will have to define all the fields, like field name is equal to, so what are the fields defined inside the sessions, so we need to add those. So like name, and so if you go here, we have name, started in there. This is this uh, formula of this sessions. So let me just copy it here and then paste it. So where we can paste it, copy from here, and then we need to paste it here like this. So just select it, code, and then format it like this. So this is how we can add the one-to-many field, and then we need to restart Odoo service and go to apps and upgrade the module so that we can see the change. Click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade, like we got an error message. So let me just show you what error we have, what mistake we have made. So if we can say field session ID does not exist in the model dot course session IDs. Okay, so if you go here, like in the session, you have session IDs in the course, and it says that the error says that field session ID does not exist in openacademy.course, but it does exist. Why we got this error message? openacademy.course, and let me restart our service. Okay, okay, so I just fixed the error because it was the reason that a backend service was already running for another instance, so I just changed the port. Like if I show you in the config file, so I just changed the port to run a new service, and then it worked. So let me just go to the courses again to show you the field has been added. So here you can see the sessions has been added, like you can see like this. So if you switch to the next one, here you can see some of the sessions has already been added. So in first case, if you try to add sessions, so like name of the session, so currently you can see the tree view has been added. If you click here, it opens up a form view. So if you don't want to open this pop-up and you just want to see like add the data just in the tree view, so for this purpose what you need to do is here in the XML, in the tree view you have to add the parameter editable. uh, Editable, you have two options, top or bottom. So in case of top, you will have to you will be able to add the data at the top, and in case of bottom, you will be able to add the data at the bottom. So let me just try with bottom, and let me try to upgrade the module. So click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. Okay, and then we just need to refresh this page. So once refresh the page, so let me just try add this. So if I click here, you can see you can just add the data in this format. So like session for Odoo 16 technical course, okay, name, and then start date is like 10th, duration is 2 hours, and number of people are 10. Okay, instructor is this one, and then course. So like this course, we can just hide this option because it will be filled automatically. So let me just remove this one, like course ID. Okay, and then let me upgrade the module. So I will show you that the many to one field will be filled automatically. So we just don't need to like fill it manually, because this is the benefit of one-to-many relation. So like let me refresh it, reload it. Okay, so unable to save. So again, let me try to add Odoo 16 technical course session, and then here we need to add the start date is 10th, duration is 1 hour, 10 people, and instructor is this one. Okay, and then let me just try to save it manually, so it is being saved. So if we let me just search this session in the sessions menu. If you go here, search for the session, so this is the session that has been added from that one to many field, and here you can see the course has been added automatically. Okay, and if we try to add a session from here, like session 1, and started is 11. Okay, and if you select the course like Odoo 16 technical course and then save it, so you will be able to see that in the courses sections it will show up at the second session also automatically, because this one-to-many relation is not the actual relationship in the database, but it is just the virtual data, the virtual relation to show the data in this format. So we have currently just added the list view for this one-to-many, but we can add multiple views like campaign views for the mobile, uh, like for the mobile preview, and we can also add the form view, which I just showed you that if we remove the editable option, then it will show up the data in the form view. Like and also if you just click here, so it will pop up a form view, so we can design the form view accordingly. So we will discuss this in the next video. So in this video, this is just the, like how you can add this one-to-many field. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.